Hey guys, this is Ms. Gerke here. Welcome to week 3. This is just a video navigation to walk you through the expectations for this week and just to remind you of some of the little changes that have happened over the last 2 weeks, just to kind of review and just chat about them real quick. So at this time, there will be a week 3 announcement, but I'm making this video to be part of that week 3 announcement. So if you scroll down and open up week 3, it is open now. Basically, all you have this week are just the chapter readings and the week 3 homework. So we are covering chapters 6 and 7, which are focused on revising, and also chapters 25 and 26, which are more of those grammar practice exercises. So again, as you are typing up your homework, it should be in APA format, but there will be a lot of reading portions of the text and then critiquing them, revising them. So again, if there's paragraphs that you should be marking in the textbook, there are a couple options. If you'd like to take a picture of it and then put that picture into your document, that's completely fine. You can upload the picture, email it to yourself, and then copy and paste it into your APA Word document that you'll be submitting as homework. Or you can just basically write what you changed, or summarize what you changed in that paragraph, or just write the actual correction, just the word or the part of the sentence that you corrected. Please take the path of least resistance. It's more important to me that you're actually practicing the skills and going through those homeworks. And like I said, the homeworks are for practicing the skills and the concepts of the class, more so than actually being perfect, that you've done things absolutely perfectly. Okay, and so those should be submitted by the close of the week, by 5 p.m. on Friday. And that's pretty much all you have. I did just upload just now a revising introduction video. So if you want to look, you can actually see 2 introductions, one at its basic stage, maybe a first draft introduction, and then its revisions. And you can see how the paper has really improved just from having that revision. And then chapter 7 focuses on outlining or peer reviewing or reviewing actual full written essay. So this is just another voice overview discussing how to review your own piece or have someone help you review a piece that you've written. So I invite you to apply these to your Is Google Making Us Stupid essay. And we can kind of click ahead. I believe originally the essay, if I'm going to click ahead and I'm going to look at week 4, the opinion essay 1 is due, and actually this should be submitted to the Dropbox by 5 p.m. You can submit this to the Dropbox, like I said, by 5 p.m. next week. So this is week 4. I'm looking ahead. You guys don't have access to this, but remember, you are to be starting that opinion essay, Is Google Making Us Stupid, right? You're responding to that piece in the textbook. Remember, it's on page 752. You should have looked at it last week. So this will be due next week by Friday at 5 p.m. So all of these concepts that you're reading about in the textbook, I want you to apply to this. If you get your essay done earlier and you email it to me with a few days time ahead, I can definitely try to give you some feedback on that essay and email it back to you. So I welcome that as we're looking forward. I did change the course calendar. I know I talked about this a little bit last week, but if you want to just take a look, I did update the course calendar. Some things have changed a little bit. Because Tuesday is our class day, the college has asked that you come in and take your tests and quizzes on campus. So you should have taken quiz 1 last week on campus at some point. So moving forward, week 4, so if you do, you should be submitting the So you can see here in week 4, you will be submitting essay number 1, and then now you will take test 1 on campus on Tuesday, the 31st, 9 a.m. if you're a daytime student, 6 p.m. if you're an evening student. So that is one of the changes, that the test is just moved a week back just to give you some extra time and make sure that you are able to get on campus, that you cover all of the chapters. This test is week 5. So this will be on all of those introduction to essay writing chapters. And remember, essay number 1, you will be submitting to that Dropbox. It is located in the week 4 module, so that is due next week, just by the close of the week, so by Friday at 5 p.m. And as you look that week, you have only 2 chapters of homework, so it will be, and those are the grammar chapters, so they're a little bit less. Moving forward, just taking a look at the weeks to come, same thing, Essay 2 will be due, but then Quiz 2, you will need to come onto campus on the 13th. So then test number 2, this will be the grammar test. You will need to come onto campus Tuesday the 21st as well. So just take a look at this updated calendar and just kind of review it so that you know which days you have to come onto campus and you know which days the essays are due. Everything has just been shifted. It gives you a little bit of extra time, but also does require you to come onto campus on those Tuesdays that you have tests or quizzes. So that is week 3 in a nutshell, guys. As always, if you need anything, you can email me, and have an awesome week.